this fourth term for you?
Every election is important. It doesn't differentiate because for me politics is about service and serving the nation, the state, my district and our people. So all elections are the same for me.
But this time your political opponent is from within the family. Does that make a difference in your fight?
Not at all. Because I'm not fighting the family at all. I've never fought in my family. I've never asked the family for anything.
Right. But is it also somewhere an emotional issue? I heard you invoking that, you know, you are the daughter of Sharad Pawar, you are the granddaughter of Sharda Bai. Does that become important because this is also an insider versus outsider battle?
Not at all. I've always said this in all my speeches. Nothing more.
Is this emotional election for you? Because
Not at all. I don't mix my professional life with my emotions.
Okay.
Because if you have to take responsibility, you can't be trapped in your emotions. And for me, it's country first, then the state, then the party, and then my family.
Okay, but also like the opposition faction is saying that, you know, they are circulating a clip which says that these are from your past speeches where you said like the problem that persists in Baramati about water issues and drought. Ajit Dada is the only one who can resolve it. That's what you've said in the past. And
So
now
I'm not saying anything different. I've never criticized him since he has left ever with the world. I've maintained completely dignity and silence.
right, yeah. Does
I've
that
never criticized because I haven't forgotten that we work together so closely.
right,
So it actually would reflect on me if I criticize because we work together.
right,
There are enough clips where he's praised my work.
yeah.
It's just that I don't make it private.
Right, okay. But this election is also not just about, like, this is what everyone is saying as well at a higher level, right? That this is not just about election, about issues.
And the whole question is Ajit Pawar contesting against you. Who is the voice? The question is who is the voice who's going to go today?
Right. But also, like, this is not just a regular routine election that comes every 5 years. This is an election which is being pitched as the election of ideological battles.
Of course,
And
every election is not ideological battles. Why should this be any different?
right. Is it also challenging for you that this time you don't have the traditional symbol of clock of NCP and
What's the point of crying over spilled milk and waste time?
okay,
You need to move on in life. You have to accept the situation and get on with it.
right,
And I know it's injustice because this party was formed by Sharad Pawar.
right,
He led it from the front for 25 years. And complete injustice done to him and to Uddhav Thackeray.
Right.
The way both the parties were taken away from the founders or whoever who was supposed to be.
right. But is that a challenge for you when you go around to the voters and remind
Everybody's
them?
life has challenges.
Right. Okay. So it's just a part of your
It's a part. What can you do? I
right.
don't cry over spilled milk.
Okay.
You have to accept your situation and get on with it.
Right. How important would it be also to, because the Baramati seat would also reinforce NCP's dominance, right? Which has been, the seat has been with your family for so long. And this time, because of the changes that have taken place within the party name and the symbol, it would be also important to show like who is the real NCP.
Well, the real NCP is Sharad Pawar because you go anywhere from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, NCP and Baramati is actually what Sharad Pawar is all about and vice versa. You go to Kashmir and you say, I'm from Baramati, the instant reaction is Sharad Pawar
Right.
ke Nirvachan Kshetra se aaye.
Right.
So you can't differentiate. You can't separate NCP, Sharad Pawar and Baramati from each other.
Even if it is with the other Pawar, the party name and the
Because it was all started. Ajit Pawar and Aya Parivarvad.
symbol. Right.
Ajit Pawar, Sunetra Pawar, Supriya Suleya, Parivarvad. Who started it? Sharad Pawar.
Right. And you are continuing the legacy of Mr. Pawar.
Not nobody. Legacy is not something that you inherit. These are not shares of Mr. Pawar.
Right.
This is public life. When Mr. Pawar, when they talk about his YB Chavan legacy was taken forward by Sharad Pawar. They are not related.
Yeah.
But till today, who is the son of YB Chavan? It's only one named Sharad Pawar.
Right.
So in public life, it doesn't have to be blood relation.
Right. Right. Because that is also what is being said, no? In this election, we hear a lot of these things about there are allegations that your faction is raising this point of who is the real insider, and Ms. Sunitra Pawar is an outsider and you are the real Pawar.
Ajit Pawar has said hundreds of things against me personally. Have I even raised it once? I've maintained a dignified silence and I choose to do that.
Okay.
Because I feel this is not about my relationship with Ajit Pawar. Does the price rise? दाल सस्ती होगी अजीत पवार और मेरे रिश्ते से?
Right.
Is the corruption going to go down? Or are your children going to get jobs by what Ajit Pawar and I share? This election is not about Ajit Pawar's and mine or Sharad Pawar's and Ajit Pawar's relationship. इस देश की सेवा के लिए इलेक्शन है. This is about serving the country.
Right.
For unemployment, for price rise, for agrarian crisis. Are farmers' suicide going to go? If you know dining room conversations of the Pawar family, is the agrarian crisis going to go down?
Right.
दूध को भाव मिलने वाला है, सोयाबीन को भाव मिलने वाला है, कि प्याज को मिलने वाला है. So this is deflecting from the real responsibility of the government. The government is shying away or running away from the real issues.
What would you, what is, like you've been here for 3 terms and you're contesting for the 4th, what are the issues or areas that you still wish to address in your 4th term?
Water, climate change, pollution, very big, all three, because they're all integrated. Our education, our future, our agriculture, as well as our healthcare, all is connected to these 3-4 issues.
Right.
So we'll have to work very hard and focused on